Well, this light is bright. Okay, I just got home. It's a Saturday night. I had 2 margaritas with my friend. We had so much fun, but I wanted to do my skincare with you. So first thing that I am using is the One Skin Prep. So this brand is new to me. It's specifically made for mature skin. I've been using this in the eye cream and I really, really like it. As you can see, look how much I've used already. And I think they just sent this to me a couple of weeks ago. So the proof is in the pudding for that. Oh, before I even wash my face, I use the loccitane micellar water because seriously, I wear some serious mascara and nothing's really getting that off. So I go in with a cotton ball and I use this first. Then I wash my face, and then I did something because my skin has been, ever since I got back from England, it is just not skinning. So I use this product that I rarely use, but it's so chef's kiss. I used 2 tonight because my skin is really needing it. So let me show you what I used. I am a hoe for exfoliants, physical and chemical, but this physical one, this is the creme de la creme. Okay, this is by Strivectin. You guys, this is so good. This is the Pro Glow Foliant Mix in Microderm Crystals. So these are like micro crystals, and it comes with this little handle that you put the crystals in, and I add it to a cleanser. Your skin will feel like an actual baby's bottom. It just scrubs. Oh, there's nothing like that old school scrub like we remember from the 80s, but these micro crystals, this is so good. If you're into physical exfoliants, I gotta give this a 10 out of 10. And again, it's Strivectin Pro Glow Foliant. And I'm gonna tag all these products after if you're interested in any of them, only because it's still the Sephora sale. The Sephora savings sale is still happening. And even after 2 margaritas, look at that glow. Okay, that's this. All right, now we're gonna get serious with the skincare because my skincare really, really needs it. Okay, this is the Goop Glow 20%. Yeah, you heard it right. 20% vitamin C hyaluronic acid glow serum. This is very serious skincare. My skin is definitely tingling. All right, so if you're that type of girl who wants to really get in there, and I went a little crazy by doing a physical and a chemical exfoliant because I really need it and my skin is used to it. I wouldn't recommend this for anybody who's never done a physical or a chemical before. You're not used to them. But if you're an OG and you're like, yeah, bring it on, physical and chemical together, and look at the skin. So you actually mix this. It comes with 2 components that you mix together to activate it, and then you shake it up, and then you put the dropper on. I'm not gonna lie, this is an expensive product. I'll tag it, but Gwyneth Paltrow girl, your stuff is good, but the coins are being given to you. The next thing I'm gonna do, oh, this is really exciting, is this is the Estrogen face cream by Alloy. Okay, so this is not the same type of estrogen that you put on your vagina. This is formulated for your face, and a lot of people are like, oh, we just use the vaginal estrogen on their face, and I'm like, no, because it's not made for your face, and I don't want anything to break me out. So this is specifically formulated for your face, and it's estrogen, and we love estrogen. I swear to God, you guys. If you're not on estrogen, you're not having the female hormone that's giving you all the goods. I was just with my friend tonight, and I legit, I was like, you are getting on estrogen, girl. You're getting on the vaginal estrogen. But this is it. So this is called M4 by Alloy. I will link it up. So good. On the neck, everywhere. Estrogen for your face. So many of you guys contacted me about these Depology Deep Care Serum Infused Micro Dart Patches, and the brand sent me their peptide complex wrinkle defense serum that you're supposed to use with these patches. So I was actually using them incorrectly. Bad influencer. So I am now going to figure out how to use these. These patches are like micro darts, which I'm obsessed with. They're going to go under my eyes tonight because I need it. I'm giving myself a self-care day, and then I might watch a movie or catch up on YouTube. But this is what these little darts look like. As you can see, let me see if you can focus. They have like micro darts that are actually, you can feel them, that penetrate the skin, and that helps absorb the serum. So today I'm using the Peptide Complex 10% Wrinkle Defense Serum for under my eyes along with these. So I am very excited. I just put the serum under my eyes, and then I'm going to put the micro dart underneath. As you can see, the darts are on this side, so I'm going to make sure they are against my skin. Serum infused micro dart patches, and then I'm just going to, oh, and you can feel them. I mean, they definitely give you a little zinger, and I will wear these for a couple of hours tonight. Yes, ooh, that is what I am talking about. Oh. Love. When I got back from the United Kingdom, my skin had just completely broken out. Like, I didn't sleep for a week, just all the different foods. Like, it's traveling abroad really does a number on your skin. So I have like acne right here. It's been super bothering me. So I'm going to use the Real Beauty Miracle Patch. And I have these, I got these for my daughter, and she says they are the best acne patches she has ever used. And she's 18, she's a teenager, and she's used hundreds of these, hundreds. So the fact that she says these are the best mean a lot to me. So these are the invisible spot covers, and let's go ahead and place one of these bad boys on. For any of you who've never used these patches before, I'll get up real close so you can see. Again, these are the Real Beauty Miracle Patch Invisible Spot Covers. You know, you see all the teenagers wearing them around. There's a reason. So I'm going to go ahead and open these. Little package. Get 12. Let's see if I can do this. There you go, and I'm going to find that. There she is. Oh, that patch right on her. And literally in the morning, she's bye-bye. Even at 56, even in menopause, we're still getting acne, and you guys know that. But there she is. And look, I can wear it. No one will even notice. I know I'm getting up real close and personal, but I have to show you how these patches work. So this is what's going on with my skin. So bad. So we're going to do another one there because she needs it. I mean, I have two, but I think I'm going to do this one because this one's been really bothering me. There. Oh, there will be no acne tomorrow. I'm so excited. The final, but might I just say the most important of this entire nighttime routine for me is my facial smoothies. These I've worn every day for the last 10 years. These are little stickers that you put on your 11. You can kind of see like a trace of my 11 there. It is there. Oh my gosh, wait, I have a little acne there. Wait, I have to, you guys, hold on, backtrack. I have acne. I got a little bump there. I got to put one of these Reals. These stickers are so good. Wait. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All right. Perfect. Great. I can still go over with my facial smoothie. Although, what happened to my facial smoothie? Let me find it. All right, here's the facial smoothie. Million of you guys have asked me how these work, so I will like link everything up because I've been wearing them forever. But okay, you can see I put the Get Real Acne Patch right there, and I'm going to put this right on top. And so what you want to do is pull the skin taut and then just line it up over that 11 simply and easily. And that's it. And then just go to sleep like that. So let me quickly go through everything because we've done a lot. First, these are the facial smoothies. They come in packs like this. Can you see? Just literal stickers. You can reuse these too. And then we have the Real Invisible Spot Covers. Obsessed with these for any acne, pimples that you may have. So I'm going to put this away for now. For under my eyes, I'm using the Depology Deep Care Serum Infused Micro Dart Patches with the Peptide Complex 10% Wrinkle Defense Serum. Okay, so using that. Of course, I exfoliated with my most favorite of all times, and this is the Strivectin Pro Glow Foliant, the best physical exfoliant ever. Then, of course, for a chemical exfoliant, I use the Goop Glow 20% vitamin C hyaluronic acid. How can my skin not look perfect after I've done all this? You guys, seriously, it's crazy. And then I washed my skin with a One Skin Prep, specifically for mature skin. Took all my mascara off with loccitane micellar water. And then, of course, it's estrogen for your face. And that, my friends, is the entire look. And do I do all that? Yes, I do, because it's important.